My inspiration behind Enchanting Transitions is a celebration about the senses and a balance between technology and the human touch. There is a lot of technology involved in this installation, but making sure that the simple pleasures of life are present. When you walk through the installation, you see poetry, you feel texture. Dekton is a material that is modern, yet is warm. It comes in 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, 1.2, 2 cm, 3 cm. So it allows you to really play very well, through flooring, through cladding, you can really design an entire space with one tonality. For us as interior designers, it really is a gift. When I approached the Cosentino team, I requested to have the Kelya to be a part of this installation